What up, peeps? Alright, I'll start off with the frame. It's a Fit Pro Park '08. Look around it a little bit. Yeah, alright, then I'll start off with the front end. I got the S&M Grand Slams with the premium grips, Federal Barnes, Animal Remix them, I think is that one, I'm not really sure, so, alright. Got the FSA headset, sealed bearings, regular stock forks. Got the Alex Super J front rim. I got the Primo cranks, I don't know, as you can see right there. Got the Fit plastic PC pedals, DK seat post, Shadow Conspiracy seat. Got a Haro 25-2 sprocket, fresh chain, you know, Shadow Conspiracy. Got the Primo mix cassette hub with the 7005 balance rim. And got the Maxis, the Miracles, I think. I don't know, I'm gonna get some different ones later on, but I ain't tripping. Yeah, so that's about it. Wait up, you guys wanna hear this up? That's about it. Oh yeah. And comment something good. Don't fucking talk shit, 'cause I care less. Peace.